Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a short video of how I twist my son's hair. In the previous video we washed his thick type 4 hair, and now we're just gonna twist it up in a protective style. First of all, I go in with my spray bottle, which has got water with some conditioner in it. So I go in with the spray bottle just to make the section more manageable, so that it's easier for me to separate the hair, causing as little pain and discomfort to him as possible. I do go in with the comb for this first line, and then I literally ditch the comb because my son literally associates comb with pain. At this point, I'm pretty much done with the section. I just try to get it as straight as possible, and that's good enough for me. My son is only 2 years old, so there really is no need or time for perfection. And then I go in with the dark and lovely All Naturale Leave-In cream, which also doubles down as a really thick moisturizing butter. And then once I've distributed that through the hair, I go in with the Aunt Jackie's coconut and sweet almond oil just to steal in all of that moisture. Once the section is fully moisturized and all sealed in, we're gonna go in with our wide tooth comb and detangle the sections from the ends to the roots. Once we've fully detangled the section, we're going to take a little piece from that section and begin to two-strand twist. It's really up to you how big or small you want the section to be. When we get to the end of the two-strand twist, I like to add some more nourishing butter, and then I twist the hair to lock it. The whole purpose of locking the hair at the end is to ensure that the hair does not unravel, and also the added moisture that you add to the ends is really good for the ends, because the ends are the oldest parts of the hair and they break off easier than any part of your hair. And then we're just going to repeat the process throughout the rest of his head. Just a quick advice, guys, how I get my son to just sit still and allow me to twist his hair is we are currently sitting in the lounge, as you can see, and we've got the cartoons playing, which is keeping him pretty occupied, and he is also currently eating a lollipop and some chips, so we're bribing him just a little bit just to keep him calm and also just to keep him distracted. So I'm on to my second row now, and the only thing I'm doing differently is I'm not going to use the comb any longer. From this moment forward, I'm going to separate each line with my fingers. At this point we are 2 rows in. I'm quickly just going to complete a significant amount of his hair and then I'll be right back. We are back and I have completed the back. And baby is still chin-chinning, eating his chips. I think we might have been at lollipop number 2 over here. The very same thing that I did at the back, I'm doing with the front. I'm separating each section, or shall I say each row, with my fingers. And then I'm going in with the All Natural Dark and Lovely Leave-In Conditioner / Moisturizing Butter. And then I'm sealing it all in with my Aunt Jackie's Coconut and Sweet Almond Oil. And then we are detangling with our white tooth comb. And then as you can see, I am twisting the hair just the same, sealing the ends with some more moisturizing butter and locking the ends. And finally, we have reached the top of his head. As you can see, I've divided it into 2 sections with a middle part so that his hair falls to the side of his head and not into his face. He does not like that. I'm just showing you guys a close-up of the middle part that I made. As you can see, it's not super straight, it's not super perfect. It's really difficult for me to use the comb to get it super straight. Like I said, he does not like that, so I don't really try to beat myself up too much. As straight as it gets is good enough for me. Somebody was getting a little excited over here and we weren't even done yet. And in a few seconds you're about to see why there's a middle part and I do not let his hair fall in his face. and he was definitely playing with me over here. Side note, I have no idea why he's leaning towards me like that. I was definitely not pulling his hair like that. And we are on our final twist, and we are completely done with his hair. His hair is completely moisturized and sealed. Guys, this took me about an hour and some change, but as you can see, he's completely happy. I did end up having to tie his hair because he was getting a little annoyed that it was in his face. He's not used to his hair being this long. It is a lot longer than it was last year. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you care. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload some new content. Bye! Hi my loves, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post a brand new video.